Alright, y'all, we back with another one. Check this out. Quick video on X Money. Just wanted to show y'all an example of bill pay and cash back with X Money. Pay my internet bill. They give you a virtual card that you could add to Apple Pay, and you get a premium metal X Money card. Use the virtual money card. I attached that to auto pay all my bills now with X Money, and you get cash back on rent and utility. I know for a fact if you pay any utility bills, also gas, water, lights, anything like that, with your credit card, with your debit card, you can use your X Money card now to receive cash back from it. And I just wanted to make this quick video as an example. Pay my Xfinity bill $105. I got $3 cash back. Once the transaction is settled, you will see the cash back amount listed under it. Cash back is paid back weekly, automatically deposited into your account. Read the terms of service. It comes once a week, so it may be Monday. So yeah, that was my quick video on X Money, just showing you that you do receive cash back for bills and rent payments with the X Money card. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out. Peace.